Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You will begin by preparing the TV and understanding why. A factory reset clears system settings and accounts to fix persistent software faults. First, check settings to confirm Android TV or Google TV. Once done, sign out of streaming accounts and back up anything essential to cloud or USB. Make sure the remote is working and the TV remains on mains power. Do not unplug during reset. Now move directly to Settings Device Preferences to start the official reset sequence. You will perform the reset step by step so the system clears completely. From Settings, select Device Preferences, then Reset, and choose Factory Data Reset. This initiates the built-in Sony routine. Confirm when prompted and provide your PIN or Google credentials if requested to comply with security lock. The TV will erase user data and reboot automatically. Once it starts the reset, do not power off. Wait about 10 to 15 minutes for the process and initial setup screen to appear. You will finish by completing the guided setup and validating the fix. After reboot, choose language, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign in with your Google account, then run system updates to ensure stability. Reinstall apps and restore any backups you made. If the problem persists or the reset fails, try the manual hardware reset. Unplug TV, hold the power button on set for 30 seconds, plug back in, or use the specific hardware reset button sequence for your model. This often resolves firmware hangups.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.